Hello everybody, this video is going to take you through how the peer revising of the research paper will work. First off, you notice in week 5 we have two discussion boards. The first one here is a normal, regular discussion board about Maya Angelou. However, the second discussion board is where you will do the peer revising. And again, even though it's in the discussion board, it will count as a peer revising grade. So let's go in and click on the research essay. If you look over here, there are two peer revised essays. The first one you're doing now, the research essay, and then you'll have to do this again for the final essay. The peer reviewing is worth 10% of the grade, so make sure you do it. And if you look over the peer revising rubric, I won't accept anything late. There are two parts. Let me go through those first. So on your sloppy copy or your rough copy, you'll have to post, you'll copy and paste it by 11:59 on Wednesday, July 19th. So click reply, copy and paste, and then post your reply. Then while you're there, go look for another student's essay, and then you're going to save that. So let's say that I saw Albert's essay and I want to review it. I'll click reply to Albert. I'll say, Albert, I will review or revise your essay. This way other students will not touch it. I need one student for every student to have all essays revised. So then that's July 19th, which is a Wednesday, and then on by Friday, you should have the peer review done. So if I chose Albert, what I will do is I will look over his essay, and then I will give him feedback, and I'm going to show you how the format is to work. But before I do that, if you do not put your sloppy copy in Wednesday by 11:59, 0. Let's say that you do that, but then I did it. I did it, I was on time, and then I'm going to review Albert's. But Friday night comes and I'm not done with Albert's and I'm late with it, you're going to receive a 0. I don't care if you did half of it. All of it must be done on time because the other students are waiting for you. They need your feedback. So if you look at the peer revising rubric, a 0. If Wednesday, you miss Wednesday, obviously you're going to get a 0. If you posted Wednesday, but then you don't post the other person's by Friday, you get a 0. But you can look over the peer revising rubric for that for more detail. And let's go to the peer revising essay and the requirements. Oh, I wondered, oh, that's okay. I'll open it as the PDF. So if you go here, sorry about my dog. I'm going to make this larger. I've gone over this, the overview, the due dates. The peer revising, I've gone over that. But here's what it should look like. You're going to make an outline. So, and there's an outline on page 63 in patterns that you can follow. But let me give you an overview of the one I've done. So, obviously the first paragraph, I want you to concentrate on the thesis, the introduction to thesis. The thesis, here's the thesis. Then I want you to give feedback. You can read this. So far your outline would be thesis, what the thesis is of the paper you're revising, and then the feedback. Body paragraph 1, I want you to type in the topic sentence and then give feedback on that as well. Body paragraph 1, topic sentence, give feedback. Body paragraph 2, again, topic sentence, give feedback. It's the same format all the way through. And then here, since this is an argumentative paper, body paragraph 4, 5, or 6 should be an opposing views paragraph. And in that opposing views paragraph, when you give the feedback, you want to make sure that they refuted it. If they didn't, tell them you gave the opposing view, but you didn't refute it. You did not spin it back to your other side, to your point of view. And then the conclusion. So this is what your example outline will look like. After you type this up, you're going to copy and paste it by Friday. Where am I? July 21st, and again, I used Albert. I'm going to copy and paste the outline I gave him, and the feedback's built within that, and then I'll copy and paste it by July 21st, so Albert can use it and make his revisions, because the final essay is due July 23rd, Sunday. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.